Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make turkey the Haitian way. It's not expensive at all. And here's the ingredients that you will need. Tomatoes, green onions, 2 lime. One of them you're gonna clean the meat, and then one of them you're gonna use to season it. Spicy pepper, garlic, Maggi cube, red bell pepper, some nutmeg. You also need vinegar, oil, and cloves, and this is some warm. Okay. So first you're gonna cut the turkey into pieces. That way the ingredients can sink in. And then on a separate pot, you're gonna, just like the standard procedure, to not really boil the meat, boil water and pour it on top of the meat. Okay. Oh, you also need some salt and also some parsley. Fresh parsley is always best, but that's what I have now. I have 2 gigantic pieces of wings. I love the wings because it's less dry, and also it tastes really good. So I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces. That way all the ingredients can sink in, and just follow along. I have a piece of lime in there. And now I'm gonna add the turkey. I try to cut them as thinly as I can, but since I can't cut them too much, I just slice them that way. The ingredients goes in there. And I'm just gonna leave it there for about 5 minutes while I get the ingredients ready here. Now I have drained the water, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. And here I have cut down the ingredients. I'm gonna add the lime juice, and then I'm gonna add that's the red bell pepper, green onions, tomatoes, and onions, so basic, and garlic, and cloves. So I'm gonna add everything. Oops, 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 oops. Okay. Looks beautiful. And it smells good already, you know, because I don't like to eat turkey and smell, you know, basically the strong smell of turkey. Oops, I left a piece of the label on this. Okay. And just leave this, you can let it marinate overnight, but just let the ingredients sink in. And now I'm gonna add 1 not 1 tablespoon, but about this much of rum. Okay. Here. That's the rum. And now I'm gonna add some oil. Even though it's gonna make some oil, but it's always good to add just a little bit. 1 teaspoon, not teaspoon, I'm sorry, 1 tablespoon of oil. Alright, now this is the final stage of making the turkey. The aroma is killing me. It's so pleasant. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. So it's like 1 in the morning, but I will definitely have a piece of this before I go to bed. And also what I'm gonna do, I like to put it in the oven for that way it can not really fry it, but I like it well, it's basically the frying concept, but it's not gonna be in oil. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of oil and just put it in the oven. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe of making turkey the Haitian way. That's how we do it.